The top 3 ways to make money on YouTube in 2026. Now, if you think the answer is getting millions of views, chasing subscribers, or praying the YouTube algorithm finally notices you, you might want to have a quick sip of your cuppa because you're in for a surprise. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to count down what I believe are the 3 best ways to make money on YouTube in 2026. We'll start with the one most beginners focus on, work our way up to number 1, and I'll explain why the biggest mistake people make isn't choosing the wrong niche, it's choosing the wrong way to get paid. Now, before we get started, yes, I'm AI Ken. Around here, we help ordinary people create retirement wealth by generating affiliate leads and recurring income in under 90 minutes a week using just one targeted YouTube video. No complicated funnels, no endless social media, no spending your life glued to a laptop. Just a simple system that gets easier as you get older, not more complicated. And if you're serious about building an online business, I've got something that will really help you. It's my free all-in-one marketing platform. It gives you everything you need to capture leads, build pages, send emails, and grow your business all in one place. You'll find the first link in the description right then. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 3, YouTube ad revenue. Now, this is the one everyone talks about. I can't wait to get monetized. I just need 1,000 subscribers. I need 4,000 watch hours. I'll start earning loads once YouTube starts paying me. Sound familiar? I thought exactly the same. In fact, when I first started on YouTube, I honestly believed AdSense was the whole game. Get monetized, watch the money roll in, job done. Simple. Well, not quite, don't get me wrong. Ad revenue is brilliant. If YouTube wants to send you money every month, who am I to argue? I'll happily take it. But here's the problem. You're relying on views. Lots of views. And if those views slow down, so does the income. It's a bit like owning a shop where customers only walk through the door if the weather's bad. Some days it's busy, some days not so much. Now imagine trying to plan your retirement around that. Doesn't sound quite as exciting now, does it? Another thing people don't realize is this. You can spend hours creating a fantastic video. It performs brilliantly. You get thousands of views, and then you look at your AdSense earnings and think, is that it? That's why I always tell people, treat ad revenue as a bonus. If it pays for your holidays, fantastic. If it buys the odd takeaway, even better, but don't build your future around it, because the next method can often pay far more from a single customer than thousands of YouTube views ever will. And the funny thing is, most beginners completely overlook it. So, before we get to number 2, have a sip of your cuppa, because this is where things start getting really interesting. Coming in at number 2, brand deals and sponsorships. Now, if you ask most YouTubers what they'd love to see happen next, it'll probably be this. Free products landing on the doorstep. Companies are paying them to talk about their latest gadget, or a nice little sponsorship deal dropping into their inbox. And don't get me wrong, there's absolutely nothing wrong with brand deals. Some creators earn thousands from a single sponsorship, but here's the catch. Brands generally want proof. Proof that people trust you, proof that people watch your videos, proof that your audience actually takes action. In other words, you usually have to become successful before brands become interested. It's a little bit like trying to get your very first job. Everybody wants experience, but nobody wants to give you the chance to get it. Now, once you've built an audience, brand deals can be a fantastic extra income stream. But notice what I said, extra. Because if the emails stop arriving, or the companies decide to spend their marketing budget somewhere else, your income can disappear just as quickly as it arrived. That's why I never recommend relying on sponsorships as your main business model. They're brilliant when they happen. They're just not something I'd build my retirement around. Now, here's where my own story takes a bit of a twist, because I spent years trying different ways to make money online. Honestly, I think I tried just about everything. One guru said, start a blog. Another one said, you've got to be on every social media platform. Another one was convinced I needed thousands of followers before I could earn a penny. And another chap was practically telling me to dance around on TikTok. Can you imagine that? No, me neither. So when I finally discovered YouTube, I thought I'd cracked it. This is it, I said to myself. I'll get monetized, the ad revenue will roll in, and I'll be laughing. Well, quick sip of your cuppa, because I couldn't have been more wrong. The biggest breakthrough wasn't discovering YouTube. It was discovering there was a completely different way to use YouTube, a way that didn't depend on millions of views, a way that didn't require becoming an influencer, a way that didn't even need a website. And when I stumbled across it, everything changed. Before I reveal exactly what that is, let me quickly show you something that made my life so much easier. If you're serious about building a simple online business around YouTube, make sure you grab my free all-in-one marketing platform. It gives you everything you need in one place. Landing pages, email marketing, automation, lead capture. I must not forget the library of how-to videos. They are brilliant, walking you through step by step, everything working together without paying for half a dozen different tools. You'll find the link in the description. Right then, one more sip of your cuppa, because what comes next is, in my opinion, the biggest opportunity on YouTube for ordinary people. And the best part, most creators are so busy chasing subscribers and views, they completely miss it. Coming in at number 1, affiliate marketing. This is the one that completely changed everything for me. When I first discovered affiliate marketing, I realized I'd been looking at YouTube the wrong way all along. I thought YouTube's job was to pay me through AdSense. I thought I needed thousands of subscribers. I didn't. I thought I needed millions of views. I certainly didn't need those either. What I needed was the right video, helping the right person at exactly the right time. That's when the penny dropped. YouTube isn't just a video platform, it's a search engine. People come here every single day looking for solutions. If you can solve a problem, you build trust. And when people trust you, they're far more likely to follow your recommendations. That's where affiliate marketing comes in. You recommend products or services you genuinely believe in, and if someone decides they're right for them, you earn a commission. Now here's a little tip that made a huge difference to me. Don't just chase one-off commissions. Start by looking for recurring affiliate programs, software, memberships, services that pay you month after month, because one recommendation today could still be paying you this time next year. Then start adding quality mid-ticket offers, and as your confidence grows, introduce carefully chosen high-ticket offers that genuinely help your audience. You don't need hundreds of sales. Sometimes just a handful of the right referrals can outperform months of chasing ad revenue. Don't send people straight to an affiliate offer. Use your YouTube video to build an email list first. That way you're not relying on the YouTube algorithm, you're building relationships. Every person who joins your email list is someone you can continue helping long after they've watched your video. That's how one targeted YouTube video can keep generating leads and income long after you've uploaded it. It becomes an asset, not just another video. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't choosing the wrong niche. It isn't even starting without a website. The biggest mistake is choosing the wrong way to get paid. Ad revenue is a lovely bonus. Brand deals can become an excellent additional income stream. But if you want to build something that's simple, scalable, and gets easier as you get older, affiliate marketing is still my number 1 choice. And if you're ready to build your own online business, don't forget to grab my free all-in-one marketing platform. It gives you everything you need to build landing pages, capture leads, send emails, automate your marketing, and access a growing library of step-by-step how-to videos that guide you every step of the way. Best of all, it's completely free to get started. You'll find the first link in the description. Now, if today's video has got you thinking, A question, Ken, this all sounds brilliant, but how do I actually get started with affiliate marketing without a website? That's exactly what I show you in the next video. YouTube Affiliate Marketing 2026 without a website, beginner's tutorial. Click on it now and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Until then, keep it simple, keep helping people, and don't forget to finish your cuppa before it gets cold. I'll see you in the next one.